Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Alex from Nourish Chicago, and today we're going to be making an American classic dessert, Jell-O, from scratch with a healthy spin. What is Jell-O? Jell-O is a dessert traditionally made up of collagen and sweeteners, which can be natural or artificial. Collagen is an important protein that is one of our body's building blocks, found in connective tissue. It's what gives our skin its elasticity. It's also rich in amino acids like proline, glycine, and hydroxyproline. These amino acids are what your body uses to build your muscles, which help make you big and strong. If you do not consume animal products, you can use plant-based alternatives like agar-agar, derived from seaweed, or pectin, which comes from fruits. While gelatin is a protein source, these substitutes are carbohydrate-based and do not provide protein. However, both pectin and agar-agar are nearly calorie-free and function more like dietary fiber, making them a great alternative for health-conscious recipes. And guess what? You will not consume any calories from the agar-agar or pectin polysaccharides. We humans lack the enzyme that breaks them into the sugars we eat. When we typically think of traditional Jell-O, we think of bright colors and lots of processed sugars. But this doesn't always have to be the case. When making your own Jell-O, you can substitute granulated sugar with natural fruit juices for a healthier sweetener for your dessert. Natural fruit juices are a great way to give your body important vitamins like vitamin C as well as antioxidants. Some fruit juices even contain fibers which help slow sugar absorption, which reduces spikes in blood sugar. What you're going to need for today's recipe is fruit juice, gelatin, or substitutes, and some fun silicone molds. You can also get creative here and add more nutritional sources like kefir, which contain probiotics which are good for your gut microbiome, as well as another great source of protein. First thing we are going to want to do is bloom the gelatin. Now, blooming gelatin is a process that helps rehydrate your gelatin and prevent clumping. You're going to want to pour a half cup of juice into a mixing bowl, sprinkling about 7.5 grams of gelatin into the water. And make sure to whisk it. You want to make sure that it's nice and evenly distributed. And that's going to rehydrate your gelatin. You're going to want to wait 5 to 10 minutes for the gelatin to bloom. And once that's done, you're going to notice that it's going to be slightly more viscous and a little bit chunky, and that's when you know you're ready and you can add your hot juice. Next, you're going to want to heat 1.5 cups of your fruit juice of choice, careful not to boil it. Once the juice comes to temperature, slowly pour it into the bowl, whisking as you pour. Keep mixing until you have homogeneous solution, which is a scientific way to say a uniform mixture. By adding heat to the gelatin, you are denaturing the proteins, causing them to break down into their primary structures. Once mixed, make sure to quickly and carefully pour your mixture into your silicone molds. And don't worry if you see some bubbles, those will come out once they freeze. Put your Jell-O into the fridge for 4 to 6 hours or until firm. Chilling your Jell-O allows the denatured proteins to reform their more complex structures, this time trapping our juice and water molecules within it. This makes the wiggly, jelly-like solid we call Jell-O. Now that you saw me do it, follow your Nourish Chicago volunteers and grab your ingredients to follow along and discover how much fun healthy cooking can be.